Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. We're down to the last 2 days. Christmas will be here in the next couple of days. Is your shopping all done? You've got your food all ready, menu prepared, gifts all wrapped. Kids are all ready, excited. So day 23 here of the Secret Santa swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. So day 3 comes in this beautiful box. I love the paper. It has a pretty shimmer to it. She's put this tag die cut. This is a wood veneer piece. She's probably painted it red. She added the day there. This is a beautiful cut file. Is this a silhouette file? It's a perfect size. Let's see here. Oh my goodness, look at the trim and the flowers. Yes, how cute. She has it on these the old type of clothespins, vintage clothespins. Oh yes, thank you, girl. With the eyelash trim and then the foam flowers. Look at these. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I think that's it, yeah? Yeah. Thank you. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. Please like and subscribe. See here for more videos. And until my next video, shakas.